Patient vicinity is defined as the space within 1.52 m or 5 ft of the floor in a healthcare facility. This includes areas used for patient care, treatment, and supervision, specifically those areas intended to be accessed by any patient. It is important to note that patient vicinity does not extend to areas used for administrative purposes such as business offices or general waiting rooms. Now, considering a luminaire, the patient vicinity associated with that luminaire is the space directly beneath the luminaire that is within 1.52 m or 5 ft of the floor. This means that if a light fixture is more than 1.52 m or 5 ft above the floor, the area directly below it, up to 1.52 m or 5 ft from the floor, is considered within the patient vicinity. When it comes to wiring for 277-volt switching in healthcare facilities, a common and suitable choice is type MC cable. MC cable stands for metal-clad cable. This type of cable offers several advantages that make it well suited for the demanding environment of healthcare facilities. Firstly, MC cable provides excellent mechanical protection to the conductors inside. The metal jacket safeguards the wires from physical damage, such as impacts, abrasions, and crushing forces, which are more likely to occur in busy healthcare settings. Secondly, MC cable is designed to resist moisture and chemicals. Healthcare environments often involve cleaning agents, disinfectants, and other substances that could potentially damage electrical wiring over time. MC cable's construction helps prevent corrosion and degradation, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the electrical system. Thirdly, MC cable is available in a variety of sizes and configurations. This versatility allows it to be used for a wide range of applications within healthcare facilities, accommodating different voltage levels, current requirements, and wiring layouts. The specific size and configuration of MC cable will depend on a particular circuit and the loads it is intended to serve. When installing MC cable, proper techniques and adherence to electrical codes are essential. Firstly, ensure that the cable is securely supported along its run, using appropriate cable ties, straps, or clamps. The spacing of these supports should comply with the requirements outlined in the applicable electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Secondly, when making connections to electrical boxes or equipment, use approved connectors specifically designed for MC cable. These connectors provide a secure and reliable termination, maintaining the integrity of the metal cladding and preventing damage to the conductors. Thirdly, carefully inspect the MC cable for any signs of damage before installation. Look for cuts, abrasions, or other imperfections in the metal jacket. If any damage is found, do not use the cable and replace it with a new, undamaged section. Fourthly, when cutting MC cable, use a proper cable cutter or saw designed for this purpose. Avoid using tools that could damage the metal jacket or the conductors inside. After cutting, debur the cut end to remove any sharp edges that could potentially damage the conductors during installation. Fifthly, when bending MC cable, use a bending tool or technique that prevents kinking or deformation of the metal jacket. Sharp bends can damage the cable and reduce its current carrying capacity. The minimum bending radius should comply with the manufacturer's specifications and the requirements of the electrical code. Sixthly, properly ground the metal jacket of the MC cable. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source in the event of a ground fault, helping to protect people and equipment from electrical shock hazards. Follow the grounding requirements outlined in the electrical code and use approved grounding connectors and methods. Seventhly, when running MC cable through fire-rated walls or floors, use fire-stop materials to maintain the integrity of the fire barrier. Fire-stop materials help prevent the spread of fire and smoke through openings in the building's structure. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing fire-stop materials and ensure that they are approved for use with MC cable. Eighthly, label all MC cable runs clearly and accurately. Labeling helps identify the circuits and equipment served by the cables, making it easier to troubleshoot and maintain the electrical system in the future. Use permanent markers or labels that are resistant to fading or damage. Ninthly, ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified and licensed electricians who are familiar with the requirements of the electrical code and the specific installation techniques for MC cable. Proper training and experience are essential to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. Tenthly, upon completion of the installation, thoroughly test and inspect the MC cable system to verify its proper operation. Use appropriate testing equipment to check for continuity, insulation resistance, and ground fault protection. Address any issues or deficiencies promptly to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. It's important to emphasize that electrical work in healthcare facilities is subject to stringent regulations and codes to ensure patient safety. In addition to the NEC, other applicable standards may include those from organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association or NFPA and local regulatory bodies. Always consult with qualified electrical engineers and inspectors to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. Furthermore, consider the specific requirements of the healthcare facility's electrical system. Factors such as the type of equipment being powered, the sensitivity of patients to electrical interference, and the potential for exposure to hazardous materials may influence the selection and installation of wiring methods. MC cable is a versatile and reliable choice for 277-volt switching in healthcare facilities, but it is essential to follow proper installation techniques and adhere to all applicable codes and standards. This ensures the safety of patients, staff, and visitors, as well as the long-term performance of the electrical system. Always consult with qualified professionals for guidance and assistance with electrical work in healthcare environments. The use of MC cable for 277-volt switching in healthcare facilities offers significant advantages. Its robust construction, resistance to moisture and chemicals, and availability in various sizes make it a suitable choice for this critical application. By following proper installation practices and adhering to all applicable codes and standards, you can ensure a safe and reliable electrical system that meets the unique demands of healthcare environments. Consider the following points in more detail to better grasp the concepts of MC cable use in 277-volt switching within healthcare facilities. Firstly, explore the specific construction and features of MC cable that make it suitable for healthcare environments. MC cable typically consists of insulated conductors encased in a flexible metal sheath. The metal sheath provides mechanical protection to the conductors and also serves as a grounding path. The insulation on the conductors is typically made of a thermoplastic material that is resistant to heat, moisture, and chemicals. Some MC cables also include an overall jacket made of a PVC or other material that provides additional protection. Secondly, discuss the different types of MC cable available and their suitability for various applications in healthcare facilities. There are several types of MC cable available, each with its own unique features and benefits. Some common types include standard MC cable, which is suitable for general-purpose wiring, healthcare facility MC cable, which is designed specifically for use in healthcare environments and has enhanced resistance to chemicals and disinfectants, and interlocked armor MC cable, which has a more robust metal sheath and is suitable for applications where greater mechanical protection is required. Thirdly, explain the importance of grounding MC cable in healthcare facilities and the proper methods for doing so. Grounding is essential for electrical safety in healthcare facilities. The metal sheath of MC cable provides a grounding path that helps to protect people and equipment from electrical shock hazards. To properly ground MC cable, connect the metal sheath to a grounding electrode conductor at the service entrance or separately derived system. Also, ensure that all metal enclosures and equipment connected to the MC cable are properly grounded. Fourthly, describe the code requirements for installing MC cable in healthcare facilities, including requirements for support, securement, and protection from physical damage. The NEC contains specific requirements for installing MC cable in healthcare facilities. These requirements cover topics such as support, securement, and protection from physical damage. For example, MC cable must be supported at intervals not exceeding 1.8 m or 6 FD and must be securely fastened in place. It must also be protected from physical damage by conduit, raceway, or other means. Fifthly, outline the safety precautions that should be taken when working with MC cable, including the use of personal protective equipment and the proper handling of tools and equipment. Working with MC cable can be hazardous if proper safety precautions are not taken. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and gloves when working with MC cable. Use insulated tools and equipment to prevent electrical shock. Never work on energized circuits. De-energize the circuit and verify that it is de-energized before beginning work. Sixthly, explain the process of terminating MC cable in electrical boxes and equipment, including the proper use of connectors and fittings. Terminating MC cable properly is essential for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical connection. Use connectors and fittings that are specifically designed for MC cable. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the connectors and fittings. Ensure that the metal sheath of the MC cable is properly bonded to the electrical box or equipment. Seventhly, discuss the advantages of using MC cable over other wiring methods such as conduit in healthcare facilities. MC cable offers several advantages over other wiring methods such as conduit in healthcare facilities. MC cable is easier and faster to install than conduit. It is also more flexible and can be bent around obstacles more easily. MC cable is also less expensive than conduit. Eighthly, explain the potential disadvantages of using MC cable in healthcare facilities and how to mitigate these disadvantages. While MC cable offers several advantages, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. MC cable is more susceptible to physical damage than conduit. It is also more difficult to repair if it is damaged. To mitigate these disadvantages, protect MC cable from physical damage by installing it in conduit or raceway in areas where it is likely to be damaged. Ninthly, describe the types of tests that should be performed on MC cable installations to ensure that they are safe and compliant with code requirements. After installing MC cable, it is important to perform tests to ensure that it is safe and compliant with code requirements. These tests may include a continuity test to verify that the grounding path is intact, an insulation resistance test to verify that the conductors are properly insulated, and a ground fault loop impedance test to verify that the ground fault protection is working properly. Tenthly, discuss the importance of ongoing maintenance and inspection of MC cable installations to identify and address any potential problems before they become serious. Ongoing maintenance and inspection are essential for ensuring the long-term safety and reliability of MC cable installations. Regularly inspect the MC cable for signs of damage such as cuts, abrasions, or corrosion. Check the connectors and fittings to ensure that they are tight and secure. Test the ground fault protection regularly to verify that it is working properly. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that MC cable is used safely and effectively for 277-volt switching in healthcare facilities. Remember to always consult with qualified electrical professionals for guidance and assistance with electrical work in healthcare environments. The selection of wiring methods in healthcare facilities is a critical decision that must consider both safety and functionality. While MC cable is a common choice for 277-volt switching, understanding its properties, installation requirements, and limitations is essential for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical system. Always prioritize patient safety and adhere to all applicable codes and standards.